Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge for Professionals. I'm Mohsin Hassan. Uh, in today's video, we will learn about how to insert checkmark option or checkboxes under the Microsoft Excel. So I will explain this step by step so that you can easily understand and apply in your professional life. And study as well. Any assignment you want to make uh, with the checkbox. Let's get started without waste any time. So coming to the screen, coming to the Excel. Yeah, you can see the I have a Excel file, spreadsheet, blank spreadsheet. So okay, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Knowledge for Professionals for more professional learning content. So you can see the spreadsheet, blank spreadsheet. First of all, I need to make some data set. Like I want to prepare the attendance sheet, first serial number, employee name, task description, task status, Alt H O I, Alt H O A. So these two shortkeys make your data set accurate. Adjust the row height and width as well. So here I mentioned one, two, three. Okay. Now I apologize for that. Now I prepare uh, the task summary or the task status list. So it's not about attendance sheet. So I'm just preparing 5 to 6 entries. Okay, let's move it. I'm limited with 10. So I mentioned name test 1. I again L touch OI. Yeah, this one. Now task description. DO. Data entry. Any prepare handicraft. Letter writing. So these three sets are available here where I randomly put on it. then Control D, the same value will be appeared. So I again select the C column and mention the short key Alt HOI that adjusts the width of the column. So now here I will be insert the checkbox option. So how the checkbox option or check mark option appear. So first of all, I need the tab which is nominated or with the name of developer. So I just search. Oh, no tab will be appeared commonly. Obviously, if you apply or use the Excel initially or first time, you unable to see the developer tab. So the for to the parents of the for the developer tab, you have to choose or click on file option. Once you click on file option, uh, you have to click on option tab. You know, options feature or the option option tab will be appeared. Multiple options will be appeared once you click the file tab. So you have to click on options. Once you click the option, you can see the form. The box will be open. So once the box will be open, customize ribbon you have to click. Once you click the customize ribbon, so you can see the developer option is unchecked or will be unchecked. So you just check the developer option and press OK. You can see the developer option will be appeared on the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet as well on the top. So once the developer option will be appeared, you have to or you click you need to click on developer option. Once you click, the multiple options will be appeared under this tab like Visual Basic, macros. We will be discussed all these options one by one. But now the purpose of this video uh, to insert a checkbox option. Here is an insert option you can see. So click on the insert. You can see the checkbox. Multiple options will be appeared regarding the check marking. I'm choosing this one. So guys, the developer tab. Once I click on insert button, then I choose the checkbox form control. So I open this template for checkbox. Then I click on this tab. So this has been selected. Once I adjust according to my choice. So I will adjust it. Then I will clear all the option and then I adjust it like this or this. then I apply like this. So I have created one checkbox. Then I click on concern cell and select till the require you know I require D11 till D11. So I just apply Control D. So this one, my checkbox has been ready. You can mark or fill the checkbox with click or uncheck as well. So that's the process to insert the checkbox under the Microsoft Excel. That's a huge process to insert checkbox. You can see if you have any confusion, you may mention under the uh, comment section. That's all for today video. One thing I just mentioned. I just select or click on D column and press Alt H O I. That's really magical shortkey to adjust the width of the required or constraint column. That's all for video. I hope this tutorial helped you uh, understand to how to insert the checkbox in Microsoft Office. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge for Professional. If you have any question, I again mentioned that if you have any question or suggestion for future video, please write them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.